Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today, and the levels that I've talked about in past videos, I mean, all of them played a vital role in today's price movement. So just as a quick recap, talked about this 263 mark as an area of resistance, and you can see, I mean, that is exactly where the price just struggled to ever gain any sort of momentum. So it wasn't necessarily a problem of getting up above 263 because it did peek its head above there a couple times, but it was very, very short-lived. And then every single time the price would quickly fall back below that level, including the last time here, which is what, really had the price fall back quite a bit. So what I definitely need to do here is just get this level extended out because, yes, no doubt about it, 263 confirmed as a stubborn area of resistance, and if there is any sort of attempted move back to the upside, that remains that key level to watch going forward. But the other very interesting dynamic here is that during the last, not the last 30 minutes, but the last hour of the day, that big old red candle there actually came down here and broke through this level that previously had been doing a fantastic job of holding as support, including earlier on in the day. And now you can see the price try to get bounce back up above it, and it's struggling. So the big question that everybody is wondering is, is this the start of a bigger breakdown? Is this breakdown of the support right here around 258 the leading indicator of more bearishness to come? Obviously, that there's still more that remains to be seen. But as of right now, from a technical point of view, I'm very, very skeptical on, and would not be shocking at all to see some continuation from a bearish standpoint. So I'm going to go ahead and use this line lower because that level is played out. But if the price does get more bearish continuation, then I would not be shocked at all to see the price now start to work its way back down to that 252 mark, which, looking back through the history of things, you can see has a big old track record. So again, is that a guarantee? Absolutely not. Maybe this little green candle is a signal that it's going to work its way back upwards, but just so much downwards momentum. And then you got the break of that very important level. So right now, definitely bearish going into tomorrow. But that's the nice thing about being a day trader. Sometimes things can change, but that's why day traders need to be flexible. So I'm always adapt to potentially needing to change my tune based on what happens with post-market and then pre-market tomorrow. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, right now things are looking pretty shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.